Hello, Boo Boo. What do you think of our van today? Huh? Let's see, what do you think? Oh, it's Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer has a very shiny nose. And if the wind goes around and round, around he blows. We've got Rudolph on our ceiling fan today. It is Christmas Eve, but if you would believe it, it is almost 70 degrees. I think we're setting some records here because normally we would be outside with coats and thinking about snow and ice, and instead we're making plans to go trout fishing on Christmas, if you can believe it. I'm gonna give you a boop. Boop. Alrighty. Merry Christmas.